Hi everybody, welcome back to House of Miracles Learning Adventures channel. Today we will learn the past simple tense. Are you ready? Let's begin. To form the past simple tense we add the following endings to the regular verbs. Take a look. The forms in the past tense are the same for all subject pronouns. I watched, you watched, he watched, we watched, they watched. Verbs with the ending ed. I watched an interesting video yesterday. You listened to beautiful songs last night. He washed the dishes after the dinner. She helped her mom with the tidying up. Verbs with the ending d. You invited us for dinner. They decided not to go to school. I saved a lot of money last month. She grated cheese on the salad. Stop the video and do the exercises now, then check your answers. It barked a lot at night. We brushed our teeth in the morning. They cooked delicious meals. She invited her friends home. Verbs with the ending I-E-D. He hurried to work. It worried us a lot. They tidied their room yesterday. She cried with her baby. Verbs with a double consonant. I stopped reading the book. He dropped the plate. They hopped so high. She skipped rope in the playground. Now stop the video and do the exercises, then check. We planned our summer holiday yesterday. Somebody robbed the bank 2 days ago. He higged in front of her mother. She stopped working. Let's take a look at how we form the negative form of past simple tense. I didn't go to the park yesterday. He didn't write his homework. They didn't listen to their teacher. It didn't happen as I wanted. Remember, we remove the ending ed when we say didn't. These are very common mistakes people make. The sentences, they didn't listen to their teacher and it didn't happen, are not correct. Now let's take a look at the interrogative forms of past tense. Did you watch series yesterday? Did you listen to music last night? Did you do the washing up after the dinner? Did she help her mom with the hoovering? Be careful with the questions. These are very common mistakes people make. We remove the ending when we use did in interrogative forms. The sentences, did you watch series yesterday? And did she help her mom with the hoovering? Are not correct. And now the big bad surprise time. You should learn by heart the forms of the irregular nouns. Oh, no, but it's not that difficult. Chill out. Just try to learn the form of irregular nouns and it's easy. I swam, you swam, she swam, we swam, you swam, they swam. I went to the cinema yesterday. You bought me ice cream. He brought his toys to school. She lent me some money. They swam in the sea. We drank a lot of lemonade. Be careful with the negative forms again. You need to use the infinitive forms of the verbs. Have a look at the very common mistakes people make. The sentences, I didn't went to the cinema yesterday and you didn't bought me ice cream, are not correct. The rule is the same for the interrogative forms, be careful. Use the infinitive of the verb when you use did in the question. The sentences, did you lend him money? And did she drink alcohol at the party? Are not correct. Hey, today you've learned how to talk about the past. Well done. Now you can speak confidently in English. For more educational videos, subscribe to our channel and keep learning.